Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to show 9 and 10 using 5 groups. And then I'm going to show you how I can use 5 groups for subtraction. So you're going to need some tools, a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser. Pause the video, grab your materials, and come on back. Welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to write my number 9 because I'm going to show you how I can write numbers 9 and 10 using 5 groups. Well, since we've been doing number bonds, I know that the two numbers that make up 9 are 5 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I draw this using a 5 group. So my first number I'm going to draw is 5, and I always use circles. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then my next part is 4. Now I could just continue on in a line, but since I want to show that these are two parts, I'm going to draw 4 more right below where I drew my 5 group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can't draw 5 because remember I want it to match my 4. So there are my two parts, 5 and 4. I'm going to circle my 5 group so you can see that 9 is a group of 5 or a set of 5 and 4 more. The same is true for 10. So right below, I'm going to just kind of draw a line here just to separate it so you guys can see. Just like a group of 10, if I make a number bond for 10, I know 10 is 5 and how many more? That's right, 5. So when I write my 5 group for that, I'm going to draw, just like I did up here, a row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I like to draw them in rows because it's easier for me to see and for me to keep it organized and simple. And then I'm going to draw my next part, which is 5. Remember, I'm going to draw it right below my first. 3, 4, 5. So I can see that the number 10 is one set of 5. And I'm going to circle it, and then I'm going to circle my other set of 5. So a 10 is 2 sets or 2 groups of 5. Well, now I'm going to show you, I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. So go ahead and erase your board. Now I'm going to show you how I can use 5 groups for subtraction. So let's see. I'm going to do a subtraction story. So Hannah had 9 pumpkins. So I'm going to draw 9 pumpkins just like I showed you the 5 way. So she had 9 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go ahead and draw 5 circles in a row just like I did. And then we're going to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many did she have all together? That's right, she had 9. So I'm going to make a little number bond over here to help me out. So go ahead and make your number bond. And that's how many we're starting with. That's our whole number, 9. She had 5 that she gave to her mommy. So I'm going to circle the 5 group. And then I'm going to put an X on them. So I'm going to cross them off. Okay. How many did Hannah have left? So I'm going to look at my one set of 5, and I'm going to put that down here in my number bond. That's how many I took away. And how many did I have left? 1, 2, 3. That's right, I had 4. Now I'm going to take my picture and my number bond and I'm going to make a subtraction sentence. Okay, so remember when I make a subtraction sentence, it's the whole number and then it shows how many you take away and how many are left. So go ahead and see if you can pause your video and fill out your subtraction sentence. Welcome back. Let's see if our subtraction sentences match. All right, so remember my whole number is going to come first. So I started with 9. Okay, how many did I take away? How many did I slice off? Oh, look at my picture. I sliced off a 5 group. So I can slice off and write the number 5. And that was one part of my number bond. How many pumpkins did Hannah have left? Look, there's a group or a set of circles that don't have any X's. That's how many I have left. Did your subtraction sentence match mine? If it didn't, that's okay. Go ahead and fix it. And you'll have more practice on this on your morning work. Good luck.